How to add PayPal button to your GoDaddy website. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add your PayPal button to your GoDaddy website. So let's get into it. You will go to godaddy.com and then you're going to log into your account. Go to websites.godaddy.com and open up your website builder. This is a website that I am creating and I want to add my PayPal button so that when a customer or a visitor clicks on a button, it takes them to PayPal and it allows them to do payments. So how to do that? First of all, we need to add a button to our website. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly add a section right here and I'm going to search for button here. I'm going to go to the introduction and get this section right here, this one. It will be added. We're going to get rid of the text right here and it will look like this. We can change the text here and I'm gonna actually add PayPal. Okay, so here we have it. Now we're gonna go to the links, add a website URL. We're gonna go to our PayPal. Make sure you have your account. You can just create an account on paypal.com or if you already have one. So what you're gonna do is you can also enter your phone number if you want on your GoDaddy, or you can get your account, URL. So we're gonna just copy this one for now and then we're gonna paste it here. You can also enter your phone number, click on done, and a button for PayPal will be created on your website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.